So guys, welcome to CS Codens. So in this video, we can go ahead how to do a certification on digital productivity with AI from Adobe. So first, we need to log into the website my skills dot mypte.org. So first, you need to log into this website, and then you need to click on the sign in option. So in sign in option, so they will it will ask like this. So there is two options. One is we can go with like mail ID password. So next one is, so we can go with the phone authentication. So if you are a new, then what should you need to do? So just we need to proceed with, we need to click on the create account. So in create account, so first you need to suggest any username. For example, here I am writing like Chandu317. This is my username. So now I am giving my mail ID. So then I am doing sending verification code. So then you need to check the email box. So you will get verification ID. So then you need to enter the code 70. Then go with verify code. Then once your email is verified, then you need to keep password. And same way we can do the confirm password. Then you can click on create account. Then it will create like this. So this is the platform. And by the way, so now we need to update your profile. So for example, here I'm writing. So remember this point. So whatever it might be the name you want on certificate, you need to give the exact name here. Okay. For example, I need Chandrasekhar Elimarti. So next click on the mail, next years, and next one the role. So if you're a student, then you need to click on the student. So next you need to click on uh, for example, if you people are belongs to Telangana, so then click on Telangana. So and you need to go with for example, if you want to go with like Medchal district, so then you can click on Medchal. And for example, we have different institutes like here, like yeah, Samskriti College, Government Degree College, Komar Betabredi College, like this we have. So you can choose any one of them. And next one, are you supported? So just yes. So now click on get started. So your profile will be updated. So nothing course is there. So now we need to go the course library and then you need to click on the second one, that is digital productivity with AI. So then you need to click on the option register. Then it will get like this. So now see each and video. So you can go with the playback speed like we have like this. So for it contains our total 4 modules. In every module we have so one assessment. So the after completion of all these modules, then we will finally get final certificate. So I hope you understand. So I hope you will do. Thank you.